90% of consultants that I speak to are scaling wrong. They've got the wrong model, the wrong messaging, and they're making client attraction and conversion really hard. Now, as we want to scale our consulting businesses to 83K, which is the run rate for $1 million, as we want to scale to past that, we often try to do fancy things when we should be focusing on the simple things. What gets us to 100K is not what gets us to 300K. What gets us to 300K is not what gets us to $1 million and beyond. Now, this is not about me being a guru or telling you that I'm the swami of all things knowledge, but having run a 7-figure business and getting past the 83K run rate a few times, I can tell you that the hardest things for me was knowing what to do and when to do it. And having wasted a lot of time on fancy funnels, fancy tech, doing strategies that were more advanced than what I needed, that were more distracting than helpful, I found that I lost a lot of time. And if I had a plan and I had a process that I could just follow, or at least use as a benchmark for my growth, I know that I would have got to where I wanted to go faster. So listen, I'm running a workshop called the Profitable Consulting Advantage. And it's designed to give you the plan and the process to follow to help take the pieces in your head and turn it into a clear and concise model using 3 frameworks that I have installed across multiple businesses that have been me proven to get people from 100K to 300K and 300K to $1 million and beyond. This is not something that has just happened by accident. It's something that has happened by design, and through trial and error and making a bunch of mistakes and overcoming many challenges, I've found what has worked for me, and I feel like it could be helpful for you.
I attended a workshop with Rana and found it very insightful, and Rana was very happy to share his knowledge and provide a lot of information and food for thought.
I can highly recommend this workshop to anyone else.
Recommend this workshop or Rana's other workshops to anybody.
So I highly recommend this. If you're planning on doing workshops and you got a ton of IP already, definitely check this workshop out.
So if you'd like the plan and the process and you'd like to model your way to success faster, join me for the workshop, the Profitable Consulting Advantage, and I'll make sure that I give you the 3 core frameworks that you need. One of those things is the roadmap that you need that you can follow to get to where you want to go faster, to hit the 83K run rate per month and beyond a little bit sooner and a little bit easier. Hope to see you there.